day ever. Yep, the Vic is toast again.
Back roads because broken car problems.
Don't you just love driving a Crown Vic at under the speed limit and having everyone glare at you because your transmission's broken for what, the third time? Okay, we got a stop sign. So all I got is 1 and 2. The 3-4 clutch packs are burned up. That's exactly what's happened the last 2 times. Even though the transmission case and valve body have been changed since. Actually, let's try putting it in drive. It's toast anyways, who cares? Let's see what happens. I still got 1 and 2.
There he goes.
Yeah. Oh, is it grabbing? Oh, this is more than it would do earlier. This is awesome. It held. I can do 90 at under 3 grand. This is awesome.
There we go.
It is toast though. I'm like coasting downhill now, so.
It doesn't say how long this video is, it just says record.
Held there when I gave it some gas going up that hill. It was popping in neutral hard earlier though.